Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to give you the summary of the poem The Road Not Taken. This is this well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common, ordinary experiences. So, open page number 15, poem The Road Not Taken. The poem The Road Not Taken is based on a very common experience. The poet presents a dilemma of a man in a particular situation. One day, this is the introduction of the poem, okay? One day, the poet, while traveling alone, एक दिन वो अकेला traveling कर रहा होता है, reaches a spot where two roads diverge in a wood. वो ऐसी जगह आके खड़ा होता है जहाँ वो बीच में खड़ा है और दो रोड्स के बीच में खड़ा हुआ है. In a wood, he entertains a conflict as to which road he should choose for his onward journey. तो वो ये डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहा कि मैं दोनों रोड में से कौन सी रोड पर जाऊँ. He stands there for a long time and then decides to choose the road which is less traveled. वो बहुत देर तक सोचता है, फिर सोचता है मैं उस रोड पे जाऊँगा जो less traveled है, जिस पे कम लोग गए हैं. He leaves the other road for some other day. Later, he wishes he had taken the other road. At the end of the poem, he says that after ages from now, he would be telling about this decision with a sigh. His choice of the less traveled road has made all the difference in his life. Now, pay attention. I am giving you the summary of the poem. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost presents a simple situation. On day, the poet traveling all alone. एक दिन जो poet था वो he was traveling all alone. Reaches a point where the road forks into two. ऐसी जगह पे पहुंचता है जहाँ दो रोड क्रॉस हो रही थी. He faces a dilemma as to which road to take to continue his journey. He is unable to decide which road to follow. He stands there for a long. He gives a careful thought to each. Then he decides to choose the path which seems to be less traveled. He feels it will make all the difference to his future life. He decides to save the other path for another day. वो सोचता है मैं दूसरा जो रास्ता है वो कभी और चला जाऊँगा. Though he knows that he will not get a chance to go back to it. जबकि उसको पता है कि उसको दोबारा चांस नहीं मिलेगा वापस उस रोड पर आने के लिए. Later, he might wish he had taken the other path. The feeling in his mind is that of sorrow and sadness. Here, the poet feels that after ages from now, he would be telling about his decision with a sigh. He would tell how he took the less frequented road and that had made all the difference in his life. Here the poet has presented the difficulty of making a choice in life. यहाँ पर जो poet है वो present कर रहे हैं की difficulty of making choice in life. We cannot travel all the roads available to us. जितनी भी roads हैं हम सब पे travel नहीं कर सकते हैं. We have to make a choice and that determines our future. मतलब हमें कोई ना कोई रास्ता हमें choose करना पड़ता है जो हमारा future decide करता है. The dilemma faced by the poet in making his choice is the dilemma that we all face at some point in our life. जो poet सोच रहा है वो भी हमारे साथ भी होता है. हम नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि हमें किस तरफ जाना चाहिए. We have to make a decision. Only the future reveals whether the decision we took was right or wrong. तो हम जो decision लेते हैं हमें future में जाके मालूम पड़ता है कि that decision which we took was right or wrong. Having taken a decision, we go on in life. We cannot come back to revert our decision. एक बार decision लेने के बाद हम वापस नहीं उस decision को we cannot come back to revert our decision. Okay. Decisions are like the steps that carry us forward. We can only look back and repent at our decision. So, first 1 to 5 lines. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller of long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. The road forked into two in a yellow forest. The poet says that I regretted that I could not travel both the roads at once. Poet regret कर रहा है कि मैं दोनों रोड्स पर एक साथ नहीं चल सकता था. I stood and looked for long, as far as I could, at one of the roads, turning amidst small plants. Now, next lines 6 to 10. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. After great deliberation in my mind, the poet is saying, I took the other road that looked as fair and promising as the first one. मैंने दूसरी रोड को select किया. It seems to have a better claim because it was overgrown with grass and was still untrodden. Though at the same time I felt that as far as the point I too had been trodden in the similar way. Both the morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So, on that morning, both the roads looked tempting, as no leaves had been trampled black. Therefore, I kept the first road for another day. So, poet decided to travel the second road. Yet in my heart of hearts, I knew how one road leads to another, and it might not be possible for me to return to the first one again. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by. That has made all the difference. I feel that after ages from now, I would be telling about my decision with a sigh. There forked the road into two in a wood. As I was undertaking a journey, I took the road that was less travelled by the people. मैंने वो road select की जो less travelled थी by the people, and this has made all the difference in my life. I have given you the summary, and do one thing, read the poem carefully, go through, listen to the summary. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.